Hi friends, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can set a minimum stay for your property. Now I've had so many hosts asking me, oh, they are tired of the one night stays and they would prefer like 2 or more nights plus, but they don't know how to set it up. So by the end of this video, you will be able to set 2 or 3 nights minimum for your property. So first things first, you have to log into your extranet. As you can see, I'm already logged into my extranet. And then what I'm going to do is navigate to the property that I want to change. So I'll just choose one of these properties. And once you're here, you go to rates and availability. So I'll click on here, and then after, I'm going to go right here to calendar. So once I'm here on the calendar, you have this option to choose which apartment you want to work with. You can just do this and choose the apartment on the ground floor, or you can do this and just choose the apartment with a view. So once you choose your particular property or room, I'm just going to come here and I put it into list view. Now, so once you're in the list view, this is how it's going to appear, as you can see. And then you'll have this option of restrictions. So you can click on restrictions. And then here you can see there is this option of minimum length of stay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on bulk edit, and I'm going to scroll down and you'll see this option of restrictions right here. And then I'll choose the standard rate, which is the only rate plan that I have. And then I'll select restrictions and I'll put here, you'll see here the option of minimum length of stay and minimum advance reservation. For this particular video, I'm showing you how to put the minimum length of stay. So I'll choose that, and then I'm going to put there 2 nights minimum because we don't want 1 night bookings. So I'll put 2 nights minimum, and then I'll just click on save. And it is as simple as that. And you notice that I have chosen all rooms here. When I did the bulk edit, I've chosen all rooms. However, you can only choose a particular room and you do that for it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another tutorial. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel for more hosting tips.